PNRR M1C3 Intervention 2.1 Attractiveness of the Historic Villages, Local, Cultural and Social Regeneration Project of the Municipality of Tripi. Abakainon 4.0 Project. Audio and video guide in English language. In Tripi, nature and history coexist harmoniously, which, again starting from Tripi, allows you to walk in untouched nature along the Talarita path, called Tararita among the locals, named after the stream of the same name which flows into the Mazara stream. Perhaps the choice to create a settlement in this area was due to these two streams. Today, thanks to this nature trail, which crosses an ancient, well-preserved bridge, and passes through reclaimed paths, you will reach ancient stone millstones dating back to the 1300s, which were used for pressing grapes, the ancient mill, the Rocca Talarita, and finally the cave of San Cono. The legend of San Cono tells that the hermit saint passed through this area during his pilgrimage to the Holy Land, and, trapped by a violent storm, spent 3 entire days sheltered in the cave, hosted by local shepherds. Beyond the legend, we know for sure that the cave was used by shepherds as a shelter, as the traces of Gazana, a carved cupboard dug into the rock, which would have been used by the shepherds, is still perfectly visible. Along the way, you find yourself in close contact with a rich vegetation composed of oak, chestnut, hazelnut, almond, olive and walnut trees, but also many shrubs such as broom and heather, as well as mastic trees. Additionally, you come across numerous streams along the trail.